What are we drawing today, dude?
Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Yeah, toothbrush and toothpaste, and that's because we've been eating a lot of what lately?
Candy.
Yeah, a lot of candy. So we needed the extra reminder to brush our teeth. Yeah. For this lesson, you're gonna need a marker, some paper, and what else?
Something to color with.
Something to color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our toothpaste, our tube of toothpaste. We're gonna draw a line up here at the top. We're gonna draw a horizontal line. That means it's going across from left to right. Kind of looks like the horizon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, you could draw it a little wider. There we go. And then we're gonna draw a line that comes down like that. Yeah, and then over here we're gonna draw another line that comes down, and I kind of tapered it or got closer at the bottom. Good job. Now let's draw the bottom to connect it. Connect the two lines, and then let's draw the cap. We're gonna draw a big cap. Sometimes toothpaste has a small cap. We're drawing a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we're gonna draw another curve to connect the bottom. And we can also draw the lid. So let's draw another line across the bottom. And we drew a curve so it looks 3D. Now we can also let's add some extra details. I'm gonna add a little line at the top. And we can also put a label on it. So let's draw another curve here, and I'm gonna draw another curve right here. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. All right, now we need to draw our toothbrush, and we're gonna draw it right next to our tube of toothpaste. So let's draw a rectangle first. And we're gonna draw a big toothbrush. I'm gonna draw a big L shape. Good, and you can draw it a little wider down there at the bottom. And then let's draw an upside down L to connect it, and it turns it into what shape?
A rectangle.
A rectangle, good job. Now on the side, let's draw two lines that come out like this. So we're drawing the bristles, or the brush part. And then let's connect that, and that makes it look more 3D. Now let's draw the handle. We're gonna start right here, and we're gonna draw a little curve that comes up and over, and we're gonna go past. See how I went a little past the brush part? Good. And then let's come down like this. Now let's come back right here and look at this. See this line coming down? We can imagine it coming through the bottom and coming just a short little line to match the other line. Oh, I like it, Austin. And then right here, let's draw the handle. So we're gonna come down and then back up. It's a really tall U, and that is a super big toothbrush. It's like for a giant.
Yeah.
Or a giraffe, one of the two. Do you think giraffes should brush their teeth?
No.
All right, now let's make our toothbrush 3D also. So we made the bristles 3D. Let's draw the side. We're going to draw a little line that comes out on the side and a little line down here on the bottom. And then let's match this side of the toothbrush. I'm going to draw a curve, comes down, and then comes all the way and connects. I love how big this thing looks. Yeah, it looks like you could brush a hippo's mouth with it. All right, Austin, what is our toothbrush and our toothpaste missing?
Funny face.
Yeah, a funny face. We always draw funny faces on food. Toothpaste isn't really food, but I think we should still draw a funny face. Now, we're going to fast forward this part because we're going to draw different funny faces, and you guys at home can pause the video to match our funny face, or you could draw your own. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We're all done with our funny faces, and yours are my favorite. I love them. Now, we also added little lines on the side of our brush to make it look like bristles. Now, we got to do one more thing to our drawing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we got to color it. It's going to look so much better once we color our drawings. Now, this part we're going to fast forward again, but you guys can pause it at the end to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, you did a great job on your toothpaste and your toothbrush. I love how it turned out.
We hope you all have fun drawing your toothbrush and toothpaste.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.